A 500 internal server error is a common issue in web applications, and all APM and observability tools can easily detect and report such errors. However, the challenge lies in identifying the accurate root cause of the error. In this video, I will demonstrate a 500 HTTP error using a sample e-commerce application called Heat Clinic. I will show how Seagence accurately detects the root cause and complements Datadog. As you can see, there are 2 items in the shopping cart, and I will update the quantity of the first item to 2. The quantity has been successfully updated. Now, I will attempt to update the quantity of the second item to -1 and observe the outcome. I will open the developer tools and proceed with the quantity update. As shown, the request fails to update the quantity, and the backend server sends an HTTP 500 error to the browser. Detecting a 500 error is straightforward, but the crucial question is the root cause. Since both Datadog and Seagence are already monitoring this e-commerce application, and Seagence integration with Datadog is enabled, let us see how Seagence complements Datadog. In Datadog's traces dashboard, the trace for the recent transaction is at the top, and it correctly reports the failed update quantity operation as a 500 error. However, upon opening the trace, in the Errors tab, Datadog identifies nested servlet exception and template processing exception as the root cause of the error. Now, let us explore Seagence detection. In Seagence integration dashboard, a red vertical bar appears, representing the recently failed update quantity operation detected by Seagence. The correct root cause of the error is also identified as illegal argument exception. Quantity cannot be negative, along with its complete stack trace. This defect can also be viewed in Datadog's Events Explorer with context and complete stack trace of the root cause exception. When Seagence reports a defect to Datadog, a preconfigured monitor will automatically notify you. Seagence provides traces for all defect transactions, successful transactions, and context for all requests on Seagence Web. In Clusters tab, you will find traces grouped by the similarity of the transaction execution. These groups are called clusters, and Seagence grouped 25 occurrences of this defect into 2 clusters, and highlighted both in red. Clicking a cluster will list all traces, and expanding a trace will list all exceptions thrown during request execution. You can see that the Datadog reported root cause, that is nested servlet exception, and template processing exception, as also recorded by Seagence, are thrown towards the end of the transaction. The correct root cause, illegal argument exception, is thrown at the beginning of the transaction. It is important to note that Seagence not only recorded the swallowed exception but accurately identified it as the root cause of the 500 error. Seagence also excels in detecting hidden defects caused by multithreading issues, swallowed exceptions, caught exceptions, among other things, and complements Datadog and other APM and observability tools. Interested? Sign up for a free trial and see it for yourself.